Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying ownership if it isn't already done. That unlocks full tools. Next, use URL inspection on representative pages to fetch and test live render so you can see real-time issues. After that, open the coverage report and sort errors by affected pages and recent clicks to prioritize. Once done, export the list for tracking and make sure to note recurring patterns like index blocked, 5xx, or redirect chains before you start fixes. You now diagnose each grouped error, check robots, TXT and meta directives, confirm sitemap entries, and test server responses. For server 5xx issues, reproduce the error and work with hosting to resolve timeouts or resource limits. For redirect and canonical problems, correct chains and align canonical with preferred URL. Once code changes are live, use URL inspection to test render and click request indexing. Do this for batches and stagger requests so Google can process them without overload. You finish by using the validation feature to tell Google you fixed the issues, then monitor the coverage and performance reports over the next 2 to 4 weeks to confirm recovery. Make sure to check for regressions after deployments and rerun URL inspection on key pages. If problems persist, collect HAR files, server logs, and screenshots, and escalate with clear evidence. This helps you or support pinpoint the remaining root cause and avoid repeating the same mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.